Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to join lines using the Fillet command in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, go to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD workspace and type Fillet or F, then press Enter. Over here, this activates the Fillet command and prepares you to join lines. Then select the first line by clicking on it and then select the second line. After that, AutoCAD will recognize the two lines you want to connect. Over here, the lines will automatically join either with a smooth arc or by cleaning the intersection. Then this creates a clean and professional connection between the segments. After that, check the result where the lines meet and ensure the join looks correct. Then this ensures proper alignment and smooth geometry. Over here, use this command whenever you need to connect corners or curves smoothly. After that, it helps maintain precision and improves drawing quality. Then repeat the same process on other line pairs if needed in your design. Over here, this makes your workflow faster and more efficient in AutoCAD. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.